How to schedule YouTube video on Android, publish setting guide. So hello guys, in this tutorial video I will tell you how you guys can do that. So it was very easy. The first step will be you guys will open YouTube app in your Android phone. Once you open YouTube app, here you guys will click on that plus icon on downside. Once we click here, you guys will see upload the video that you want to upload. For example, I want to upload that video. After that, click on done. Now wait for some seconds. I am uploading in short, but the way was same for short and long video. So let's wait for some seconds. Now click on next. Once we click on next, here you guys will see caption public, select audience, show more. So simply click on public invisibility. Here you guys can see public, unlisted, private, schedule. So simply click on schedule. Now here you guys can see schedule publish is a public. So simply click here. Also you guys can see 15 March 2026. So simply here you guys will click and select the date that you want to schedule video. For example, I want to schedule it 18. Now I will click on OK. Here you guys can select the specific time. After that, click on OK. And once you click on OK, now back. Now you guys will simply click on upload short or upload video in your phone. And once you click on that, that's it. Your video will be scheduled. So that's how you guys can do that. Thanks for watching.